Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a questionnaire in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document or create a new document. In my case, I am doing this from scratch, so I will start with a blank document from here. On the blank page, press Enter 2 times to skip the first 2 lines. Now go to Insert, then Table. In the drop-down, click on Insert Table. In the pop-up, set the number of columns to 5 and the number of rows to 5 as well. This number can vary according to your questions. After you are done, click on OK. Now we have to format the table. Click on this icon to select the whole table, then go to the Table Layout tab. Here, increase the table height a bit. In my case, I will set it to 0.5 inches. While selecting the whole table, change the cell alignment to Center, Middle. Now we will resize the cells. I will decrease the size of the last 3 columns by dragging the borders. You don't have to be super precise here, just try to make them a similar size. Now decrease the first column size, leaving the second column as the biggest. Next, go to the second row of the first column and add numbers from here to the bottom. Now we will specify the last 3 columns. In the third column, I will add Very Useful. In the fourth column, I will add Useful. And for the last column, I will add Not Useful. Now we will add checkboxes to the rows below. For this, we will need the Developer tab, but I don't have that right now, so let's bring the Developer tab. Go to File, then Options. In this pop-up, go to the Customize Ribbon tab. In the Main tab section, turn on the Developer option. If you can't find it in the Main tab section, it will be in the left side box. After you have turned it on, click on OK. Next, go to the Developer tab. In the menu bar, click on this checkbox option, then click Properties. In the pop-up, click on Change for the checked symbol. In this menu, click on Font and scroll down to the W section. Now select Wingdings 2. Here, select this check icon, then click on OK and OK again. Now I have a working checkbox inside the table. Click on the 3 dots to select the box and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Then select the rest of the cells and paste it by pressing Ctrl+V. This might change the cell alignment, so select all the checkboxes, go to Table Layout, and change the alignment to Center, Middle again. Now we have our checkboxes. Next, type your questions or quizzes in the second column. Now select your questions, go to the Home tab, and change the alignment to the left. Click on this icon to select the whole table again and go to Table Design tab. Here, go to Borders and set it to No Borders. Now go to the top line that we left empty at first and type your instructions about the questions. Select the text, increase its size, and make it bold. And we are done. Now we have a pretty good-looking questionnaire with working checkboxes. We can just click on the boxes to check or uncheck them. And that's how you can make a questionnaire in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.